Myself M. Naveen Kumar. Myself S. Vishwa. Myself S. Vishnu.
Myself A.V. Sundarshan. We are final year students of Diploma in Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory at NTTF Vellore. We are for our final year project we have developed an Automatic Workpiece Evaluating Machine. Today I am here to explain about our project, the Workpiece Evaluating Machine. The main goal of our project is to reduce human error and speed up in the inspection process and enable real-time quality control in industrial environment. Through this project, we gain valuable knowledge and hands-on experience in areas such as automation, sensor integration, and Raspberry Pi programming, image processing, and Mechatronics System Design.
In our project, major components are TFT display, web camera, photoelectric sensor, Raspberry Pi as a controller, 40 GPIO pins, and wiper motor, servo motor, and 2 proximity sensors.
When I start our project, a welcome skill displayed in the TFT display. After that is ask a reference dimensions. We have entered the dimension of length, breadth, and depth of the, and then after entering the dimension, it goes the next called object detection, where there is object or not. It will detect and if the workpiece is ready, check and align the workpiece properly.
After aligning the workpiece, the photoelectric sensor starts to measure the distance between the photoelectric sensor's end point and the starting point of the workpiece. And the same things continue will be applicable for this sensor, the second photoelectric sensor. It measures this distance and this distance, and after this adds these two distance and subtracts from the total length of the table. By calculating these calculations, it will show the dimension of this. For example, this is the length of the object, and after completing the length dimension, the servo motor, the rotating table will rotate to the another angle of the piece and measures the width, and with the same manner. And by using this sensor, third photoelectric sensor, we can measure the depth. In photoelectric sensor, we have got the dimensions, but sometimes the workpiece may be slightly not parallel. For that issue, we have also using web camera for analyzing the measured value by photoelectric sensor with web camera. The web camera captures an image and processes it, and it will show the dimension, and it analyzes the already taken dimension using photoelectric sensor. These two dimensions are matches. The photoelectric sensor will give an output and to the controller, and it will mention in the display. If the sensor's measurement is wrong or not accurate, the camera measured distance, measured dimension will be shown.
After showing the dimension, it will display the cylinder, actuates and pushes the workpiece to the conveyor and retakes back to its own position. This operation is controlled by relay.
For project, we are using 2 proximity sensors. When first sensor detects the workpiece, the conveyor will start running and the workpiece will traveling in the conveyor. And when the second sensor detects the workpiece, the conveyor will stop.